Hello everyone, welcome back to Steam Code. In this video we're going to be working on updating our code. So over the course of the past two videos, Discord.js version 13 has been released, and it has a lot of great features that we're going to need to use, such as creating slash commands and doing other cool things with Discord that we weren't able to do with the current version that we're using. So the first thing you're going to want to do is first update your version if it is not already updated. So the way you're going to do that is say npm install discord.js, and now it's updated. And now we're going to actually change the code such that it corresponds with version 3 code or version 13 code. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to specify constant. Actually, we don't need to get rid of the second half. Specify constant client and intents equals required discord.js. So the client is the same thing as before. We have the client, but then the intents are something that we haven't used before. So intents allow you to conditionally subscribe to predefined groups of events that are defined by Discord, so that your bot does not have to respond to every single event that goes out. It only responds to those that are defined by the intent parameter. So now we can change the client. We can say client equals new client, and then intents. So these are the intents, the predefined groups that we're subscribing to at this bot. Intents dot flags dot guild, and then also intents dot flag dot guild underscore messages. And that's all we need for that section. So now we have updated our client, and now we're able to actually define which intents we actually want to use. Alright, so now let's add just another line of code. This will be useful once we start creating slash commands. So we can say client.on interaction create interaction Alright, and that's all for this video. You won't really be able to see the effects of what we've done in this video today, but as we continue on with the tutorial series, this will become more useful as we're able to now define more variables and interact with Discord in a more updated way. This has been Steam Code. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below, and I will see you next time.